Hello, it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really sweet card made with the new release from Waffle Flower, which is the Rejoice Rabbit. So I've stamped out this sweet bunny and I'm just going to go ahead with my Copic colours and colour them in, and I'm going to put on a little bit of music while I'm colouring.
I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that
all the colours are listed down below in the description box if you're interested.
I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go.
I just love this rabbit's rosy red cheeks, they're so cute.
I don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to.
So when I'm Copic colouring, I usually start with the darker colour and then go on to the lighter colour. But this sometimes does change, and if you're new to Copic colouring, just play about and do what works for you.
Cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
So what I'm doing here is I didn't have the next colour in between the blues, so I'm just gently touching my B00 to the other blue just to make it a bit more darker and I get a bit more shading.
And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm known without you. I hope I can try.
I'm just using the matching die for this set, and I'm going to go ahead and place this on my stamped image, and I always put a bit of washi tape down just so it doesn't slip when I'm die cutting it. And now I'm going to go ahead and use some black cards, which is Paper Mill Direct, and I'm going to heat emboss the sentiment Happy Easter with some white embossing powder. This sentiment is just so pretty, I love the font on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my heat gun to heat set this, and sometimes the embossing powder sticks to the card even though I've prepared it, so I just usually use a little paintbrush and gently take away the excess powder. And I've just ink blended up a background. I did record this, but for some reason it wouldn't go on the computer, but I do have a list of the inks I use to make the background colour down below in the description box. And now I'm just going ahead and adhering down the panel that I've ink blended, and then I'm also going to adhere down the bunny with some foam pads and add some sequins just to finish the card off. How adorable is that bunny? It just makes me smile, and what I love about this stamp set is that you can use the bunny for so many different types of cards too. And now I'm just going to use some foam pads and adhere all the pieces down to the card. And I've also used the Waffle Flower matching dies to cut out the sentiments. And once they've all been adhered down, I'm going to use some PVA glue and add some sequins just to finish the card off. And this little glue nozzle that I've got, I think I got it from eBay. I just fill that up with PVA and it comes out really thin, so it's very easy to adhere your sequins to. And I've used some pretty pinks and purple sequins to go with the card, just so it matches the background and brings the card together. You can use any embellishment that you want though, or you could even die cut some elements that would look quite sweet on the card. And if you've enjoyed this video, let me know by giving me a like, and I'd love for you to subscribe too. Thank you. And that's it, the card's all complete. Don't forget to check out the Waffle Flower new release, and thank you so much for watching.